The twin flame relationship is about two individuals, one called the runner and the other called the chaser. The runner is the twin partner who forsakes the union because he feels overwhelmed by the connection and has to deal with his issues. The chaser is the partner who remains in the relationship. Even though the other partner leaves, the chaser keeps reaching out to get the runner back and rebuild the bond. The chaser understands the importance of the union and tries hard to keep things going between them. Both partners experience challenges that help them grow spiritually and learn more about themselves. But this running and chasing role is temporary for the twin partners. Sometimes, the runner can become the chaser and vice versa. Role switching usually occurs when both twins reach essential moments in their journeys. Many things can cause this change, including when the chaser gets tired emotionally and spiritually. After putting a lot of effort into making the connection work, they might decide to stop and focus on their own healing and personal development. Once they find peace within, they focus more on caring for themselves than chasing. The runner may notice this change and start wanting to reconnect. Role switch can also happen when the runner realizes why everything happened. After a long period of avoidance, they might realize they need to face the emotions they have been trying to run away from. They begin to pursue the back of the union, only that the chaser may have found peace in being alone and stopped chasing. Major life events can also cause the runners and chasers to switch roles. They can force a reevaluation of priorities, prompt emotional awakening, and disrupt previous attachment patterns. For instance, health crises, financial struggles, or family emergencies can shift focus away from the relationship. At the same time, traumatic events can trigger emotional growth, making the runner more available or the chaser more reserved. Similarly, dreams and visions can inspire twin flames to switch roles or reverse roles. Prophetic dreams or visions can help change a runner or chaser's perspective and give clarity on the purpose and future of the connection. Dreams that clearly indicate the need for a reunion, visions of the twin flame's future or higher purpose, and recurring signals for surrender can all trigger role reversal. Whatever the reason for role reversal, we should all know that it is a natural adjustment to restore balance in the connection. The twin flame bond always seeks harmony and balance, and switching roles can facilitate this. We must know that role changes do not happen immediately, instead, they happen gradually. Each twin partner may start acting and feeling differently. The chaser might begin progressively to accept the separation. He no longer feels hurt or betrayed, he feels peaceful about it. On the other hand, the runner might start experiencing unexpected waves of emotion they previously tried to ignore. The communication patterns may also change as the runners reach out more often, sometimes even surprising themselves. The hardest part of the role switch is figuring out how to deal with the new changes that follow. When the roles switch, both twins feel unsure about this new situation. The chaser might feel bad for no longer pursuing, while the runner might find it hard to figure out why they now want to be closer. However, these roles aren't supposed to last forever, so they learn, unlearn, and relearn new ways of doing things. As both partners evolve and change, they naturally start to have a more balanced relationship where both partners' feelings are considered. When twin flames switch roles, it is not a sign of failure or weakness, rather, it shows their dedication to growing and staying connected. It is a means for them to change and improve together. It also shows us that nothing is permanent, even for twin flames, and that their spiritual path is about growth rather than fixing into rigid patterns.